Now that we have fixed our model, we're going to need to also change the texture. So I'm just going to open as layers and choose the new template. And there we go. That's what we need. I'm not going to worry about fixing all the various layers this time. Just going to get these selected. Okay. Right click, select, grow by 2 pixels. Okay, now go to the metal base texture, Control C, copy it onto your base, Control V, and then colors, brightness, contrast. We're going to increase the contrast a bit until it seems to sort of match our other metal. Okay, now go to the shading layer, go to your spray brush, and add shading so that it'll match the rest of the gun. Okay, scroll up to your damage layer, brush size to 0.1, apply jitter, and choose a non-feathered brush. Go to white and just add some minor damage to this thing. That one doesn't matter, you won't even see it really. Okay, now I'm going to scroll back down to the shading layer. This just seems too bright to me, so I'm going to choose eraser, lower the opacity to 20, increase the size, and then erase 20% of that reflection. And maybe a little bit more. There. Okay, we've now added the charging handle. So now you're going to, there's some more details on the receiver here on the front that you can add if you want to. Really these holes should be modeled in, but for the tutorial, for the sake of time, I'm not going to worry about it. So make sure you save your project here in GIMP, and then save as UMP45 without any spaces .tif. Export, save. Alright, now you can go ahead and close GIMP. And here's your texture. So in 3ds, you can hit M to bring up your material editor. Just pick a slot, doesn't matter, and click on the standard here and change it to multi/sub-object. Discard old material if there is one, and delete all but one. Now go ahead and add your bitmap. UMP45. I'm going to go ahead and put that name here, here, and here. There too. And then apply that to your model. Now I'm going to choose this, right click, and convert it to an editable poly. Select all of the faces and make sure that they're all set to material ID 1. And okay, so now you've got a textured model. You are going to want to, not that. Okay, so now we're going to set up our file structure for Halo. Navigate to wherever your Halo custom edition root directory is. Go to Data, Weapons, and create a new folder for your UMP45. Apparently I've already got one here, but I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so now inside this folder you're going to want a folder called Bitmaps, another one called Models, another one called FP, one for Animations, and one for Sounds. I'm not going to worry about a collision model. Well, yeah, well, okay, so, and then one called Physics. And then inside the FP folder, you're going to want another one called Models. Alright, now navigate back to wherever you've been saving your files, and you're going to want to copy your texture over to where you put bitmaps, weapons, UMP45, bitmaps. Put your texture there, and then let's see. Here we go. Okay, then copy your model, whatever your latest version of it, or you can just save it from here in 3ds. Save as. Navigate to your Halo Custom Edition root directory. Weapons, UMP45 models, and save that as UMP45. Okay, that should be all you need from there for the moment.